Hello everyone, again I am Lovely Sandag and I am from BECE second year. The topic that was given to us was planning for inclusion. To give you a very brief context about planning for inclusion, I have prepared here a very brief explanation about planning for inclusion. Inclusive planning incorporates plan making and implementation processes where all community members feels welcome to participate and are confident that their participation can positively affect outcomes. Inclusion entails more than extending an open invitation to all community members. To firstly discuss the very first scope of our given topic, my task is to discuss with you about family problems. All of us, I'm sure that in our individual home, ay meron tayong mga problema, lalo na't problema sa pamilya ang ating pag-uusapan. Now, my question is, what are the most common family problems? There are several problems that are very common with families. A lack of communication and gender, age, or cultural differences can cause issues between family members. Divorces, step-families, violence, and addiction also often cause family issues. What can family problems cause? Okay, family problems can cause an array of emotional or mental and physical issues. They can cause stressful emotions such as rage, fear, insecurity, or isolation. Issues may result in drug addictions, eating disorders, or other forms of self-harm. They may also result in medical conditions such as depression or anxiety disorders. Yan ay nadudulot sa atin ng pagiging problematic natin about sa ating mga pamilya. Another question is that, what are the meaning of family issues or what is the definition of the family problem? Family issues meaning problems within families, a diverse array of familial situations that lead to unpleasant or stressful emotions such as anger, fear, and anxiety. But first thing first, family refers to a group or related individuals, whether related biologically or legally, who live in the same roof or residence. Family problems or conflict can occur between two or more members of a family because families are intimately and intricately connected. The problems impact the entire family unit. Here are some examples of family issues. There are variety of challenges with family life. Each family member is a unique individual with their own personality, expectations, roles, responsibilities, and likes and dislikes. And here are some family issues examples. I've prepared 3 family issues or family problems that we can use as examples. Here's the number 1, finances. Ito yung problema na maiuugnay sa kahirapan o kakulangan sa pangtustos sa pang-araw-araw at ito din ang nagiging dahilan sa pag-aaway-away at di pagkakaunawaan patungkol sa pinansyal na desisyon. Pangalawa, ang mental health. Ang problema sa pag-iisip ay tunay na nakakapagdulot ng stress na siyang dahilan ng pag-aaway-away ng pamilya. Halimbawa, kapag ang anak ay mayroong mental issues, ngunit ang mga magulang ay sinasawalang bahala na lamang ang kondisyon ng kanilang anak at hindi ginagawa ng kahit anong paraan upang mabigyan ng tamang lunas ang sakit ng anak. Panghuli or number 3, lack of communication. Ang magpapamilya ay hindi nagkakaintindihan at hindi nagkakaunawaan kasi hindi naman malinaw na sinasabi ang kanilang saloobin, bagkus ay sinasarili lamang ang nais sabihin. Ito ay nagdudulot ng magiging problema sa loob ng pamilya. Ang tatlong itong na nabanggit ko ay halimbawa ng problemang hinaharap ng bawat pamilya. Pero, nasa sa atin pa din naman ang desisyon paano natin bigyang solusyon ang kanya-kanyang hamon ng buhay. And again, I am Lovejoy Sandag, BECE second year, and thank you for listening.